August 4th, 1983, a day that would forever alter the relationship between baseball and birds. Dave Winfield, Yankees outfielder, future Hall of Famer, a man with a cannon for an arm, and on this day, an unfortunate aim. One throw, one bounce, one Seagull struck down in its prime. The aftermath was swift. Toronto police charged Winfield with cruelty to animals. The city was divided. Was it an accident, or had Winfield truly flown afoul of the law? Winfield maintained his innocence. "I was aiming for the bat boy," he claimed, but the damage was done. The Seagull was gone. The legend was born.